I've been working all day putting this little box together, and it's just a box without a front. There should be another drawer inside as well, and a front. This will be part of the front. It is a box specifically made for, I got a Berkey water purifier, a Berkey, and it will fit on top of it, because usually when you put it somewhere on a surface, it's typically difficult to pour out, so you always have to put it on an edge so you can pour it into something you hold below the edge. What I use is walnut, not this, and I put two pieces of walnut together with a white, in this case maple strip, to give it a little bit of a flare. And then I got the bottom and the top out of plywood. The bottom is pure plywood. Of course, I put some polyurethane on it, but it has also a walnut strap in front, and that is the same with the top. But the top also has a piece of Formica, just against the water. That Berkey is always wet. And yeah, I put all these dados in so that everything fits together and you don't see much of any lines. Put this in here and glue it all together. And then I can continue tomorrow with the front and a little drawer inside. So let's do the glue up. Okay, let's see what we can do. Okay. That looks good. Let it dry just for a little bit to clean it up, and add the other pieces. Now I can also add this top one, if it all fits. Let's see. That works good. Let's see if I can get this out of here. We'll do some sanding. Okay, either one. I continued with the front of the drawer front here. I got a little box. I added a little drawer. The drawer has a indent. Yeah, one at the top as well, but it's only one indent here. That makes me create a little handle so I can open it up. So I can open it up this way. So at the top, this is the base of my Berkey. So my Berkey goes in here, and then I should have sufficient room to put a mug underneath here because that little faucet is down there. So I can put a mug under it or something, or a cup, and easily fill my cup for hot tea or whatever. After a lot of sanding, this is the moment that I always enjoy. You put on the first layer of finish, and you see the color of the wood appear. It takes several more layers, but the first layer is always, let's see, oh, that wood is beautiful. I'll let this be so far, but I have to come back several times today, and tomorrow probably, and the day after, to finish it up. My Berkey. I got a Berkey, and I'm already using it at home, but I got it especially for the van, and I'll be using this when I'm on the road. The issue is always that when it's usually set flat on the top, you have to put it on the edge so you can put your cup under and fill it with water. So this little box, the only thing it does is make it easier for me to put the mug underneath and fill it. So that's what it was all about. And of course got some storage, can put the got an extra faucet and some other stuff there. So I'm putting it on top of what I already showed, I think, on top of my storage area. The top is finished with a Formica top. One of the things that I'm working towards now, while finishing all those side cabinets, top of the walls, is to put a ceiling in. And while I still don't know what the finish will be of the ceiling, I'm thinking of an automotive cloth to put it on, but we'll see. Is that I'll be putting in a plywood sheet, about a 3/16 or so thick. I have two ways to fasten it, which I'll come back to. So if one doesn't work, I can always use another one. But I don't want to drill any holes in it or so. So it'll be one 4x8 sheet of plywood. A little bit adjusted for the width here in the back, and it goes all the way to here. This is about 8 feet up to the cabin. It's a little bit difficult because handling an 4x8 foot sheet with two hands, we'll see how that works out. But first I have to do a lot of measurements and see where I can get the sheet to fit. So let's start with that. And that has to be removed. see. I've been thinking quite a lot about the dual lock, 3M dual lock system, and I think there's a good chance that that will work. What I would do is I'll put a strip of that dual lock stuff on there, on the cross member as well as here, and probably on the rear as well. We'll see. The front is over the curtain rail that holds it up as well, and there will be a header that holds it up. We're getting there. It's slow, but this is a major step, by the way. Hi guys, this is Joey, and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.